In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2025 how to add social links on Squarespace. Beginner tutorial. First, open your web browser, search for Squarespace, and head to the official site. Click log in, then sign in with your account. Once you're in, choose the website you want to work on and click go to website so you can access the live preview of your site. Next, click edit site to enter editing mode. When the editor loads, click edit to enable on-page editing tools. Move your cursor to the header area and select edit site header. In the header panel, choose add elements. Look for social links and turn it on. You'll see placeholder social icons appear in your header. Enabling this element adds the space for your profiles, but we still need to connect your actual links so the icons are clickable. Click Save to keep the social links element in your header. Now use the back arrow at the top left to return to your main controls. Click the search icon, type social links, and open the social link settings. This is where you'll paste the full URLs to your social profiles. Add the platforms you actually want to display. Things like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, or others. Be sure each link is a complete URL, including HTTPS, and points to your public profile page. Squarespace automatically detects the service from the URL and assigns the correct icon, so accuracy matters here. Paste each profile link into the list. Keep your selection focused so your header stays clean and easy to scan. If an icon doesn't appear later, double check the URL or remove and paste it again. When you're finished adding links, click the X to close the settings panel. Click Edit Site again to return to the editor and preview your changes. You should now see your social icons in the header, each one linking to the profile you provided. Take a moment to glance at your site on different screen sizes. If your template supports it, the icons will adapt to your header layout and inherit your site's styles. If anything looks off, you can revisit Edit Site Header later to adjust placement or temporarily toggle the element off. That's it. You searched and signed in, opened your site, turned on social links in the header, saved, added your profile URLs and settings, and confirmed they display properly. Remember to save as you go so your updates are applied. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined professional header with clickable social icons.